How to translate text messages on iPhone. So all you have to do is to proceed directly to your messages. And here, for example, this message or this sender. So let's just say someone sent you a Chinese character or something, a language that you cannot even understand. You cannot understand, sorry for that. So all you have to do is to click on that message, long press it, and it will look like this, right? Now on the bottom part here, or under that, you will see translate. Click on translate here. And as you can see, you will see the language that is used. So as you can see, it is detected as Chinese Mandarin, the traditional language in Chinese. In China. And then it means morning. So let's try this one too. Long press, tap on translate. And as you can see, it is detected as Arabic, and which also means morning in English. And basically, that is how you translate text messages on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.